Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create pages, understand the basics of Portfoliobox, navigate the admin panel, and publish your website. Let's get started. Here's a demo site. At the top, you'll see a menu with links to different pages. By default, the menu is at the top, but you can easily move it to another position if you prefer. Your website is made up of pages, and each page contains sections. Each section can have different elements like a header, text, or images. And at the bottom, you'll see a footer, which is optional and can be added or removed based on your needs. Let's take a quick look at the admin panel. At the top, you'll find a Create button to add pages and an Edit tab for managing your content, like pages, products, blog posts, and more. Under Styles, you can adjust the global look of your site. On the right, you can access your library and business tools. Click Settings to customize other options for your portfolio. There's also a button to upgrade and publish your site. In the center, you'll see a preview of your site with mobile and desktop views available on the bottom left. Now, let's get started by creating a link page, a page that displays links to other pages. Go to Create, choose Link Page, and pick a template you like. We'll select Square Ratio and call it Portfolio. We'll keep Add to Main Menu toggled because we want this page to be visible in our menu. Then click Create Page to confirm. Our first page has been created. As you can see, it contains sample content. Let's edit that. Click Edit Links, choose Change Content, and remove the sample links. Now let's click Add New Link to add our own. Here, we'll choose to link to a new page. We'll pick the Portrait Ratio Gallery template, call it Fashion, and click Create Page to confirm. Let's not forget to save this new link. All right, our first link to a gallery is now ready. Let's upload our images to this gallery. Click Edit Images and select Change Content. We'll remove any sample images and upload our own photos. We can select and upload multiple images at once. Once uploaded, we can move the photos around. And our gallery is now ready. We want to change the way this gallery looks like. Let's click Edit Images and choose Styles. We'll select a new template and we'll go for Dynamic Grid. We can also adjust the image size, margins, and more from here. Now let's create an About page. Go to Create, choose Text and Contact, and select a template. We'll title it About and confirm. To edit the content, we double-click the text area and write our own text. We'll follow the same steps to edit the image and select a photo in our image library. Okay, let's return to the link page where we already added more links to other galleries. We'll now add a section to this page. Let's click Add Section, choose Cover, and select a template that works for us. Then, we want to add a text section at the bottom following the same steps. Add Section, Text and Contacts, and choose a template. Now, we want to customize this section and add a button here. Let's click the pen icon. Select Add Element below, and under Links, choose Button. We'll edit the button to link to our About page. Right-click, change content, and select to link to an existing page. We now have a working button that directs visitors to our About page. A quick note on styling. There are several levels of styling. First, you can apply global styles, affecting the entire website. Second, you can style all elements of a specific type, for example, all headers. Lastly, you can style a single element individually. For example, to change the font globally, we go to Styles at the top and choose a new font. We'll adjust the global font size too. To adjust the size of all headers, right-click any header, select Styles, and choose Edit all elements of this type. This will apply the changes to all headers on our site. If we want to style a specific header differently, we can select Style this element in the Style Editor. This will override the global settings for that individual header. For instance, let's make this header display in capital letters. When we check the other headers on our site, we'll see they've inherited the global header style, but the specific header we modified now stands out with its custom style. Once we're happy with our site, we click the Publish button. Here, we can choose a domain name for our site and publish it live. And that is all. Let's preview the site we just created and customized. Start exploring and make our portfolio your own.